What's up, guys? So I just came from DNA Garage because I went to go pick up a package that Louis ordered for me. I've been waiting for this for a while, so let's go check out what I got. So here it goes. It's the new Haltech IC7. This thing's gonna be pretty cool. And here we go. This thing feels pretty heavy duty right here. Really nice, really big display. So this thing is actually going to be replacing all my gauges. This is all I'm going to be using. I want to get rid of the couple gauges I have and even all the stock gauges and just put this on. So pretty soon I'm going to get rid of all of that and go just to this. So to make this work, I went ahead and I ordered a new hood from WORX. Let me show you what I got. So this is what I got right here from WORX. This thing's pretty nice. It's a honeycomb carbon fiber, but I'm not gonna leave it like this. I'm actually gonna be flocking this. I got all the flocking stuff right here. Yeah, we'll do that another time. Right now my main concern is gonna be cut this out. Hopefully I don't screw this up. The good thing is that in the box they give you a template that you could just put over, trace it, and you know what a template is, and I'm just gonna try to make it fit. They gave me this hood that usually they sell separately, but they had like a special, so they gave me this. I'm gonna try to put this inside, figure out a way to mount this once I cut it out, and then put the dash in there. But wish me luck. If there's anything that you guys are looking to buy that's Haltech, give DNA Garage a call. They're an official dealer, so just give them a call. They'll hook you up. Pretty happy with this. So now I'm just gonna mount some brackets back here so I could bolt it on, and we'll be good to go. So this is pretty much how it's gonna look. It's pretty flush. That's how I wanted it. Still gaps around the edges. So what I'm gonna do after I put the brackets on, I'm gonna get a thin rubber seal and go around the edges, which I think will cover it up and make it look a little bit better. So let's see how it comes out. So one quick thing I forgot to record was that I drilled out this hole right here for the outlet, for the cigarette lighter outlet, just because I still want to have access to power if I want to power up different things like a phone, dash camera, or stuff like that. So I just drilled it out right now with this 1 1/4 inch bit. Now I'm gonna test fit it. Hopefully it fits. There it goes, as easy as that. All right, next step I'm doing right now is with Scotch-Brite, I'm just kind of sanding it down a little bit just so the glue for the flock could actually stick. I know it kind of sucks because it was really nice with that honeycomb carbon fiber pattern it had, but if I would have left it that way, nothing would have matched with the car, so that's why I decided to go with the block. And believe it or not, these pieces actually cost cheaper aftermarket, like carbon fiber, than if I would have tried to buy these OEM. They cost a lot more, so it kind of sucks I had to do this to it, but hey, I have to make it work with the car. I'm done flocking all this stuff, I'm gonna let it sit like this for the next like 2 days or so, and then I'll start mounting everything, seeing how it looks. But check it out, I think it looks really good. Alright guys, so I already flocked everything and I mounted the dash already. So how I did that was, so I just found this old piece of plastic and I cut these L brackets out of it. Then yeah, I know it looks like crap, but yeah, nobody's gonna see it anyways. I got JB Weld, and I'll show you what I did back here. As you can see, I just JB Weld the brackets back there, so it's gonna hold. That thing's really tight, but just in case it doesn't hold, I did put that L bracket up there, 2 screws. So when you see the dash from the front, the only thing, I wanted this thing to be super clean with not a lot of clutter, but you will see those 2 screws right there. So I feel comfortable having those because while driving it, I didn't want this thing to pretty much rattle off those brackets on the side, and then this thing just falls off while I'm driving. So I don't mind having that. Once you see it from here, it doesn't look bad at all. And then I flocked this too, so, and I already have that flocked. So once I put in everything else, it should look pretty good. So the next step is going to the shop, and I'll have Louis help me out with setting up the screen, because we got to mess with the display, how I want it to look, and put all the parameters, everything like that. So that's it for this video, but I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.